The light lens in your bathroom ventilation fan covers the light bulb and diffuses the light. The light lens is made of plastic and will sometimes harden, which can lead to it cracking. After years, it may discolor or become dirty. There are two styles of light lenses in this series. One has more rounded corners, and the other has corners that are more square. The trim piece will determine which lens you need. Replacing the light lens is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Removing the lens is really very simple to do. Of course, I'm working on a workbench where you'll be working with the fan upside down over your head on the ceiling. But to remove the lens, all you'll need is a screwdriver. Insert the screwdriver between the trim and the lens and pry one side of the lens out. On the opposite side, again insert the screwdriver, pry slightly, you don't want to damage the trim, and then you can pull the lens away from the trim piece. Your replacement lens will just simply snap into place.